I think it was a conscientious decision that we had to do something slightly different in the Marnock area, because if we just went for a conventional development with hard infrastructure buried under the ground, large storage tanks, it wasn't necessarily going to be attractive for the market for developers to come in. The Commonwealth Games Athletes Village also is key to it, where they've set out a new method of living and a new philosophy about street design and open space within there. In most mass or large housing developments, infrastructure tends to come second to density of housing. So you quite often end up with a lot of houses jammed onto a bit of land, but no real quality to support them. And undevelopable areas of land within the site are often turned over for the open space, quite often sloping, hidden away, far end corners of the site. If it's unattractive to put a house on, it's also got to be unattractive for people to use as their open space. It's not central. We are beginning to see within the Clyde Gateway area the fruition of many, many years of work by a large number of parties. GCV, Green Network Partnership, Clyde Gateway, Glasgow City Council, SEPA and Scottish Water, where everybody's worked together to look for the future. We're now starting to see the infrastructure in place central to all development, with buildings which will start to look over it. And as time moves on, we'll start to see these areas being used by people, hopefully as a social and recreational area. We delivered suds and drainage infrastructure which looked good but also was functional and met the requirements of the regulator SEPA. This high quality green infrastructure, which has been delivered in the Clyde Gateway area, sets a plan for the future, because it will show the development industry how green infrastructure can lead to high quality environment and lead to high quality development for the rest of Scotland.